Welcome! Today we're practicing Sat Kriya, one of the most powerful exercises in Kundalini Yoga. This rhythmic movement uses the mantra Sat Nam to activate the navel center and direct energy upward through the spine. Sat Kriya is known for strengthening the navel center, stimulating digestion, and awakening the body's vital life force. In Kundalini Yoga, it's often described as a practice that transforms sexual energy into creative and spiritual energy. Over time, this Kriya can help build resilience, clarity, and a deep sense of inner power. Traditionally, practitioners work with Sat Kriya for extended periods, even 40 days, to create powerful energetic shifts. If you're pregnant or have serious abdominal conditions, skip this practice or consult a healthcare professional. Come into a comfortable seated position on your heels. Interlace your fingers and extend your arms overhead with the index fingers pointing straight up. Keep your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. The mantra is Sat Nam. This means truth is my identity. On Sat, you sharply pull the navel point in toward the spine and engage the pelvic floor slightly. On Nam, you release. When I say engage the pelvic floor slightly, this means contracting those muscles that we use for bowel movements and urination and even our sexual muscles. So we contract it all up and then release on the exhale. This is known as root lock or mulband in yoga. Let's practice together.
Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat.
The movement is rhythmic and steady, letting the breath flow naturally.
Sat Nam, Sat Nam,
Sat Nam.
Sat Nam, 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 Sat, Nam 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 Sat.
To end the exercise, you inhale deeply, keeping your arms up, visualizing and feeling that energy being drawn up all the way up to the fingertips. And as you exhale, keep those arms up. Again, on the next inhale, keeping those arms up, drawing up that root lock and holding, and exhale, releasing. And one last time, inhaling deeply, contracting those pelvic floor muscles, and exhale, releasing. Gently release your arms and rest your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes for a moment and notice any changes in your energy. To close the practice today, we can ground ourselves. You can do that simply by bringing your thumbs to that point in between your eyebrows and a little bit above. Or you can bring your forehead right down to the ground and just rest there for a moment to feel grounded and move on with your day.